My name is Kairat. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is country from Central Asia.
Okay.
Does this actually origin happen from China, by the way? Country?
What's your opinion about it?
The police are like playing with the people, like, they are.
Here or taken action by people, Indian people. Have you seen any videos in social media in other?
I've seen the Corona Go video.
What do you think about it?
Corona Go.
What do you think about it?
Corona Go.
Hey guys, what up everybody? I hope you are doing great. I am Sam and welcome to this video. प्रेजेंट करता हूँ ये वीडियो ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड के साथ. So without further ado, let's start. So इसी के साथ इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करता हूँ. और अभी भी लॉकडाउन और क्वारंटाइन जारी है और काफी ज्यादा बोरिंग हो रहा है अभी घर में रहकर, लेकिन और कोई चारा भी तो नहीं है. इसके अलावा यही एक चीज है जो अभी कर सकते हैं, स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ. तो मेरा जो सिचुएशन है फिलहाल वर्क फ्रॉम होम वाला सिचुएशन है. मैं तो घर में बैठ के काम कर रहा हूँ और लेकिन फिर भी एक कमरे के अंदर कितना काम करोगे, बोरिंग तो होती है. कितना भी आप काम करो लेकिन कमरे के अंदर पूरा दिन 24 घंटा पूरा वीक और हाल फिलहाल तो पूरा महीना तक ही घर के अंदर है, तो बोरिंग तो होगा ही. ऑब्वियसली किसी को भी बोरिंग हो सकता है, लेकिन यही एक सिचुएशन है, यही एक जो रास्ता है इस वायरस से बचने के लिए. तो और कोई दूसरा रास्ता अपना नहीं सकते. तो घर बैठे बैठे बोरिंग तो काफी हो रहा था, तो मुझे एक आइडिया आया. घर बैठे बैठे जिस फ्लैट में मैं रहता हूँ यहाँ पर कई सारे कंट्री के लोग जो है रहते हैं. डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री, अलग अलग देश के लोग इस फ्लैट में रहते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा चलिए एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, एक सोशल एक्सपेरिमेंट. सबसे पूछते हैं उनका क्या कहना है इस लॉकडाउन के बारे में या कोविड-19 के बारे में. वो लोग क्या सोचते हैं और उनका देश का हाल कैसा है और किस किस देश के लोग इस फ्लैट में रहते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं.
तो चलिए, फ्लैट के अंदर मैं फ़िलहाल आ चुका हूँ और मेरे पास पहला गेस्ट यहाँ पर मौजूद है. और चलिए उससे पूछते हैं उनका क्या ओपिनियन है. तो ये है हमारा पहला गेस्ट. फर्स्ट टेल योर नेम.
My name is Judah. Hi guys. Welcome to Sam's vlog.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Judah and I'm from Nigeria.
So what do you think about COVID-19 and what's your opinion about it?
I think it came at a bad time.
Yes.
Because not like there's a good time for it to come, but I don't think it's not good news. That's what I think about COVID-19.
Yeah.
It's not good news.
It's not good for anyone.
Nah.
Yeah.
I don't think. Well, maybe a few people, like maybe the owner of Zoom. There's
Yeah.
many people on Zoom now and all that because we can't go out. But the negative outweighs the positive, so it's not good news. That's what I
Okay.
think.
So next question is, how is your country's situation during this COVID-19?
Okay. Today is
Your country.
21st, right?
Yes.
As of today, we don't have up to 1,000 cases.
Yes.
1,000 cases, that means confirmed. That's a cumulative of active.
I mean, they are getting affected. It's like worse kind of situation, or it's normal. It's like how normal it is. Like
Obviously, right now it's not normal. Nothing is normal.
Nothing is normal,
Nothing is
definitely,
normal.
yeah.
That's the first thing we should agree. But right now there are about, I think, 500 or 600 cases in total. But they are doing well. There's a lockdown in most of the states, like in Lagos, in Abuja, in Ogun State. So in other places there's a restricted movement. So the government are doing well,
okay, yeah.
at least to the best of
So
their
the meanwhile, our situation is not. It's like the same like other countries.
yeah, it's like,
The same.
it's like
So next question for this vlog is, what is that thing you are missing during the lockdown or quarantine?
what I'm missing the most is
I mean, during the lockdown inside of home, what is that thing that you're missing most, like for normal day?
I miss people. I miss going out,
Yeah.
having to take handshakes and
For
hugs.
people and
Now nobody will
yeah,
touch you.
yeah, definitely.
You go out there, there's social distancing and all that. So I miss that. I miss going out, having meetings with people and not just looking at screens.
Yeah.
My screen time has multiplied in the last 2 weeks. So I think my eyes need a rest from looking at screens. I miss that. I miss people.
You miss people. Everybody is missing people. I miss you. I also even missing the people a lot, because in Dubai it's like different part of country people, and we meet every day. Some new people.
It's a wonderful place to be.
Yeah, everybody miss the people. Okay, the next question. What's your opinion about China from where it started according to media?
To be honest, I don't have so much information about that.
The question is, what's your opinion about China?
About China,
From where it started according to media? The media says it started from Wuhan, China.
that's-
what do you think about?
that was
And
everybody has.
after this when it will end, everything will be normal. What people will think about China, and what is your opinion about it?
Well, right now, I think it's funny that it started in China. Then looking at the statistics, there are a lot of countries that have much more cases than China.
Yes.
So I can't really say it's China's fault. I don't know. I don't think they did anything very wrong. Could they have done better? Maybe, I don't know. What will people think about China after this time? I think, to a large extent, a lot of people are already having this negative concept that China has a hand to do.
So it's like normal, not like no people. Some people they're saying we should war against China. Do you agree? Maybe some people are saying the media is blaming, not like that.
Look at most of the countries where there are facial masks and all that stuff. All those stuff, most of them are made in China.
Okay, so so next question: have you seen any Indian video or taken action by people, or I mean, have you seen any Indian video or taken action by people, Indian people? Have you seen any video in social media, in other?
I've seen the Corona Go video.
What do you think about it?
Corona Go.
What do you think about it?
Go, Corona go, Corona go, Corona go, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona, Corona go, Corona go, Corona go, Corona go, go Corona, go Corona.
I think it's wonderful in the sense that it has humor. It's supposed to be a rap song, but the humor in it is wonderful. Corona, I still remember it and I sing it once in a while. Go Corona. So I've seen that, and that's wonderful. That's wonderful.
And okay, the next question: what's your opinion about India, and what do you think about Indian people? Have you any experience? Have you had any experience about Indian people? What do you think? Well, only one thing. Tell us one thing.
I think they're hardworking.
Yeah.
I think they're hardworking. The
They're
average Indian is hardworking.
Okay, hardworking. So this is a good point that I would like to mention for Indian people. Hardworking.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're hardworking.
Okay.
I work with some, then I live with some. So.
Okay. Tell us one of the best thing about your country that you know.
My country. I'll say the attitude of the people.
Okay.
I'm not trying to sound.
That you feel it. This is the best about our country.
It's the people.
People.
In the sense that they are not having all that they want or all that they need, but you still see the average Nigerian making steps.
This is because I will upload in social media. So this is a kind of like message that you would like to tell about people about your country.
Yeah, Nigeria is a wonderful place to be because of the people. They are welcoming.
Okay.
That's why I said, even though things are not maybe as we would have expected, we have been thinking that by the time we get to 2020, Nigeria will be at a certain level. Maybe we are not there, but you see that the people are still who they are. They're happy, they're joyful, they're jovial, they are always with high spirits. So to me, that's the people of Nigeria is the joy of Nigeria.
So that was the last question, and this was the opinion about it. And thank you very much. This is Judah, who is my roommate, and this was his opinion.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah.
Thank you. Keep watching Sam's blog.
And what is your country? Anything you would like to say? Like Mexico, is it your country?
No, merci beaucoup is French. That's French.
Okay.
If I want to sound like John, I can say maybe. No, don't do it. Thanks.
ओके थैंक यू जूदा तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट गेस्ट की तरफ और वो है हमारा इंडिया से ही चलिए उनसे मिलते हैं और उनका नाम वगैरह सब जानते हैं सो हियर वी हैव द नेक्स्ट गेस्ट
Hi.
ओके यस
Welcome back to Sam Vlogs.
Okay. फर्स्ट टेल योर नेम एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम
By the way, my name is Muhammad Ashik, as the people calls me, friends calls me Ashik, and I'm from India, as my friends.
विच
country.
पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया
From South and from Kerala.
Okay. So the next question is, what do you know about COVID-19 and what's your opinion about it? Very
It's
I describe?
It's like
short description.
unexpected thing. World disaster happened suddenly. It all over the world. We all are like enjoying. We have a routine, work routine and home routine and outside work, whatever. Like everything was going on like very randomly. Suddenly it was an very bad thing has happened all over the world. So we need to defeat it. Now we all are in the home quarantine. As per we are doing board stuffs. We are doing workouts or something like this, social networking and whatever the things. So by the way, we hope it will be defeated soon.
Soon. We all are hoping that.
Yes, exactly.
So the next question is, how is your country's situation? I mean, what news you are getting from your country?
From India, same thing.
From
is
your
happening.
state, like what is
In
the
my
news?
state, if preferred to the other states of India, it is the one topmost right now. The low cases all over the India. As in the Kerala state, we only found like daily like only 1 case or 2 cases we are finding, and they are improving by the all the protections by the healthcare of Kerala. So
Okay.
we hope same as should be happening all over the state and all over the world.
Yes, definitely. We all hope that. Okay, the next question is, what is that thing you are missing during lockdown or quarantine? What is that thing
The thing we are missing all the day,
in compared to
all the time.
normal day?
All the day, all the time we are missing the outing. Dubai is actually is best for outing. We need to enjoy the places of Dubai with friends. We need to go many places. But will not finish anything. So right
That's-
now we are just on the way in a home quarantine. That's all over the world like this.
Okay, so that's the thing you are missing most.
Exactly.
Yeah. So the next question is, what's your opinion about China from where it started according to media? The media says it started from China. So what is your opinion and what
Actually-
do you think about when it will finish? What do you think about it?
This is actually origin happened from China, by the way, but we don't know the exact story. Having many rumors is going on by the media and by the all of the peoples who are concerned with these things, with this case. So just we need to think about that. We need to defeat this COVID-19
Yes.
as soon as possible. That's it.
Okay. That's what your opinion about
Yeah.
China for this question. Okay. Have you seen any Indian video or taken action by people in social media or any in some video?
Yes, it's a bit very different from other country.
What's your opinion about it?
The police are like playing with the people, like they are. Yeah, it's like crazy, they are playing. We feel like they are having some dramas is going on there. So they should be careful about this. All the things we should stay home. All the people should stay home right now. in this
Yeah,
country.
that's true. But my question is, the people that taking action. Some people they are making sound in the house and they are.
Yeah, that is a good thing.
What do you think?
That is a good thing. Some people are more funny that they are making something like "Go Corona Go." It's the main song of India, by the way. It's an virus anthem, like virus national anthem of India.
Go, Karuna, go, Karuna, go, Karuna, go, go, Karuna, go, Karuna, go, Karuna, go, Karuna, go.
So we need to defeat this one as soon as possible. And some people are more crazy about this thing because when they are sitting at the home all the time, so they are just mad within some things, some stuff. They don't have anything to do, so that's why they are just crazy on these things.
Okay. So this question actually this is from different country people, but I will ask you too. What's your opinion about India and what do you think about India?
By the way, we should proud of our country.
Yes.
And there is some more people like who make some rumors and dramas. It makes our country name as bad as well. So only we should not compare with any other countries. By the way, we all are same human beings. By the way,
Only opinion like what do you think about India? What's the future? Only normal describe.
actually it depends on the future. The topmost future now it's going on by UAE and some other
Like
Europe countries.
when you see India or when you heard about India, what's the thing that comes in your mind?
The first thing it will comes
Only
my
one or two things.
comes my mind is only the thing topmost population they're going to defeat China.
Okay,
That will be the one.
that.
But they have some resources, by the way. They have agriculture, they have every food items, by the way. They have a cultural items. So they have many plans to do all like in the future
Yeah.
with some other countries also. They have many deals is going on with some countries like US and UAE, like other countries also. So
Okay.
let's see.
So next question, tell us one of the best thing about your country that you know about your country or your states also, you can say, as you are from India. So
The best thing of India that we can prefer different
that you know
categories.
this is the best thing about my country. What is that thing?
That will be the foodies.
Food.
Yeah.
Food according to food.
Because in India, if you go to India, if you arrive to India, you will find a dictionary of foods. You can choose like groups and choose
Yeah.
like categories, choose
Yeah.
like different tastes.
Taste.
You don't feel like you came only to one country. You will feel like you came to like different countries.
Different country. Yeah,
That's it.
that's very true because
Yeah.
I'm from India, so I know this.
That's okay.
Okay, so that was is for this guest. What is your last message? Is there
My
any
last message is only the one thing I want to tell, that just stay safe and stay home and defeat the COVID-19. We all are together and we will win. That's it.
Thank you. That's what
Thank
it
you.
for
Bye.
Ashika.
Bye.
Thank you. तो ये था इन गेस्ट का ओपिनियन. अब चलिए मिलते हैं कुछ और गेस्ट से, उनका ओपिनियन क्या है इस बारे में. तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट गेस्ट की ओर, जो कि बिल्कुल मेरे पीछे है, और उनका क्या ओपिनियन है इस बारे में. चलिए उनसे जानते हैं. तो ये है हमारा नेक्स्ट गेस्ट. एंड फर्स्ट टेल योर नेम एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम.
My name is Kairat. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is a country from Central Asia.
Okay. Our next question, what do you think about COVID-19 and what's your opinion about it?
About the COVID-19.
It's shortly, not briefly, it's short description. What do you think about
I
it?
don't know what to say. Unfortunately,
Whatever
it's
you
happened. It's not good thing, but it's a good thing for the earth. I think maybe the humanity need it.
Really?
Maybe.
Okay. That's really positive opinion. The next question is, how is your country's situation during this
Now?
time?
Now in our country is more than 500 infected people. I don't know what about the died. How many people? I think maybe 3.
Okay.
And in our country population is 6 million.
Okay. So quarantine and lockdown is going there also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, what is that thing you are missing during lockdown or quarantine?
What thing? I'm missing.
What is that thing you are missing during lockdown or quarantine
Ah.
in Dubai? Like you are missing most. Like while you are in home, you are missing that thing. That I'm
Yeah.
missing that thing or smart outside or somewhere.
I really miss my office.
Office.
Yeah. I'm working in a real estate and we're working in office in Business Bay. And,
Okay. You're missing that too.
Yeah.
It's really positive. Your all the opinion are very positive. Okay. The next question, what's your opinion about China from where it started according to media?
About China?
Yeah, about China. The people, the media are saying this is started from China, the Wuhan, as the people say. So what's your opinion, and when it will finish, what do you think about China?
Everybody said that it started from China, but some guys said that this started not from China.
Okay.
It started from another country, I don't know where. I heard that it's some guy who just did this virus.
Okay.
I
So,
heard about
it's-
this.
Your opinion, these are people's opinion. What's your thinking?
I'm thinking it's started from China. Yeah.
China.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are blaming. Okay. The next question: have you seen? This is a very funny question, but I would like to ask you too. Have you seen any Indian video or taken action by people, like in social media somewhere?
Maybe only my friends.
Have you seen any video? And what is your reaction about it? What do you think about it?
I've seen only my funny videos.
Yeah, like
Ah.
the people that taken action against Corona. Like some people, you have seen some videos.
Yeah. I've seen. It's a TikTok.
Video. Okay, you
TikTok
have seen the
videos
video.
of my friend.
Okay, what do you think about it and how it is?
It was good.
It was funny.
Yeah, it was funny.
Okay. Now, what's your opinion about India and what do you think about India? Have you had any experience about Indian people and what's your opinion?
I have 2 Indian friends.
Okay.
You also.
Okay, including me. Okay.
Yeah. And I want to visit.
What's your
India.
opinion about Indian people? Like these people are. This is the. It's okay if it is negative or positive. We will correct if we have some.
In our
weakness.
country, it's a lot of Indian people
Really?
in our country. Yeah.
Okay.
And my opinion, it's like I'm like my relationship for Indian, like also like in other
Other people.
people.
So your comment is very valuable for Indian people. Okay. The next question, and this is the last question. Tell us one of the best thing about your country that you know about your country, and you would like to share. This is the best thing about our country.
Yeah, I want to say that our country is very mountain, very beautiful country.
Okay.
We have lakes, we have rivers, we have mountains. Our country very green, and if you will watch about some videos about Kyrgyzstan, you will see that it's like some maybe it's some movie.
Yeah.
Like
Tell us
do you
any
remember-
movie name that people will know.
do you remember the Lord of the Rings?
Yes, Lord of Rings. Yes, it's a very famous movie.
This place is where they act shooting. Yeah, this look like this.
It's from your country. No,
It
it's look like that, similar
Yeah.
like that. The environment of that movie, it is like your country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks
Okay.
like mine.
Okay, thank you very much for giving us the interview, and that's our opinion. And I would like to give any message to people that some people they are giving message like stay home, stay safe. Do you have any message to tell the
Yeah,
audience?
of course.
What's
We
your
should
message?
Stay at home. Yeah, really, we should stay at home. We should save not just each other. We just should save our family.
Okay.
That is why. And so one more thing, what I want to say: if you need some property here in Dubai, just
Okay, no problem. I will put that too. Okay, no problem.
okay.
So ये था हमारा नेक्स्ट गेस्ट जो कि ये अलग कंट्री से है, जैसे कि आप देखा इनका क्या ओपिनियन था इस बारे में.
तो देखा आपने किस तरह का सिचुएशन है इस दुबई में, और हमारे फ्लैट के अंदर डिफरेंट कंट्री के लोग रहते हैं और उनका क्या ओपिनियन है इस बारे में, और उनका कंट्री का सिचुएशन कैसा था. तो ये सब था इस वीडियो का एपिसोड, और इसी के साथ इस वीडियो को करता हूँ एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू प्रेजेंटिंग यू अनदर एन एपिक वीडियो. तब तक के लिए हैव एन एपिक लाइफ. थैंक यू. बाय.